It was a chilly morning in Sunshine Town. The breeze danced through the trees, and everyone seemed to be sneezing. Just in time, Pharm Perpetua appeared, with a basket full of tissues, smiling and smiles. Hello, my little friends. I see the sneezing season has arrived. Don't worry, I've got you covered. First, always wash your hands with soap and water. Cover your sneezes with tissue. Eat.
I can do that! I feel better in here already!
Religion. Pharm Perpetua made learning about health fun and easy. Kids turned their lessons into a fun game, chasing away to squeeze-ups.
Great job, my sneezing heroes!
Thanks to Pharm Perpetua, the children learned how to stay healthy like seasons.
Remember, little ones, healthy habits make happy hearts.
Bye, Pharmacist. Thank